Hi guys, this is Aniko, jump out of the rabbit hole again. Welcome to our colorful world. Our topic for today is nail stamping. Do you like stamping? Have you ever tried it? Do you know how to use it? I love stamping because it's fast, easy to pick up, and anyone can make stunning, eye-catching design on her nails. I'll show you how, just follow me. Believe me, you don't have to be an artist to make stamping designs on your nails, but you still have to pay attention to a few things to make a perfect design. First of all, you need a good quality stamping plate and some other accessories. Are you ready now? Let's go! We are going to demonstrate the stamping technique on gel polish based nails. You cannot skip the sanitization of the nails this time either. Wash your hands with soap under warm water and spray them with sanitizing solution. Then push back the cuticles of the nails and then scrape them off. We buff the ridges of the nail and shape it by paper file of 108 degrees. We sanitize the nails by nail prep. Then we use acid primer. Primer needs about 1 minute to evaporate and now it has whitened out. Then we apply easy base gel on the nail and we cure it under UV lamp for a couple of minutes. Norka uses a very nice elegant nude color as a base color and it is to be cured for 2 minutes under UV lamp. Then we apply 2-in-1 base and top coat on those nails that we do not stamp on. And then what? Yes, we cure them under UV lamp for 2 minutes. Then we cleanse the sticky layer. We are ready with the base layer for the stamping. Now we prepare the stamping plate. We are using plate number 3, called ornaments, to show you the steps. After you take the plate out of the paper holder, remove the protective foil. Then wipe the plate with nail polish remover at least 3 times. This will guarantee the surface to be grease and stickiness. As we are going to stamp on gel polish base, we have to slightly buff the gel polish to get matte surface. You don't need to use a buffer when stamping on nail polish base. Nail plate and fingers are ready, but what we'll apply the design with? With a stamper, of course, which we'll also have to prime. With a fine buffer, very carefully file the silicone head, then clean it with acetone-free nail polish remover. Important to note, you only need to buff the head this way, before the first use. For stamping, we should use very well pigmented nail polish because they have to cover well in even thin layer. We put the nail polish on the plate, then we scrape the excess nail polish with the plastic card. Then we pick up the designs with a stamper and place it on the nail. It takes only a couple of seconds and the ring finger is nicely decorated. It is important to clean the plates with nail polish remover once you are done with stamping. The best and most gently way to clean the stamper is by using a sticky roller. Once everything is clean, we can start working on the middle finger. We do the same steps as with the ring finger. Apply the nail polish on the design. Remove the excess with a plastic scraper, pick up the design and stamp on the nail. Then let the design dry for a while. The thicker designs dry slower, so just be patient. Once the design is all dry, we apply the 2-in-1 base and top gel polish on the nail. Make sure you cover the whole surface of the nail. Then cure this layer for 2 minutes. Then we apply another layer of top gel and also cure for 2 minutes. In these 2 minutes we show you some more designs stamped on tips. Norka already buffed the tips to get the surface a little matte. Make sure you clean the stamping plate with nail polish remover before every use. Then we can do the usual steps. This time we will stamp with Moyra metal silver nail polish, so we apply it on the plate. Scrape the excess with a plastic card and stamp the design on the tip. telling the truth. I cannot wait the shooting to be over, so I could try this stamping myself. But let's get back to Norka now. We clean the plate and the stamper. Well, you cannot reverse the time, but you can turn around the plate and stamper. So, while we choose the same design, the results will look differently. And you can see we can stamp the design by pushing the tip on the stamper and not by pressing the stamper on the tip. Either you stamp on nails or tips. There will always be parts that are covered with nail polish that you have to clean. Take a thin brush, dip into acetone-free nail polish remover and carefully clean the skin around the nail. During this time, Amy's top coat has cured. We need to cleanse the residue. Now we have to clean the skin around the nail. For the larger area, we should use nail polish remover and paper wipes. For smaller areas close to the nail, we should use a small brush. As a last step, Norka applies her favorite cuticle oil on Amy's fingers, and the manicure is done, and I think I cannot wait any longer. This is amazing, so simple and fast. I just can't wait trying it right now. Pardon me, Norka. Today we showed you the steps of nail stamping, accessories needed, preparation steps, and you saw a pro in action. Next time we will go on with nail stamping on an advanced level. Thanks for watching, have a colorful day, bye bye!